Hey, 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 what's up? Clickety clickety, that's our bell. Coke Zero commercial. Hey, Drew69, Ryan Entourage. Hey, what's up, guys? How we doing? Drew69 popped into the vertical stream also. Nice. Thanks, guys. Well, did you guys take any of these trades today? It looks like they had some good opportunities. Hey, Lone Wolf, how you doing? I thought you'd like that. I was like, so guys, today I spent a few hours delivering flyers for my real estate business. We got like almost 200 flyers door to door, knocking and talking to people and dropping off flyers. Pretty crazy, eh? The grind. Oh, you got to make the last $300 tonight? Damn. $350 long about an hour and a half ago. Nice. Yeah, that was looking back, I was like, geez, this is a good long. These 1 hour fair value gaps have been holding real nice. We got the value area low lined up with this 1 hour fair value gap. That was a beautiful trade. Could have had sort of like stop at, just below or near the previous day low, along at the value area low. Went all the way to the point of control. That's just, wow, so amazing. Yeah, got to put in that work to keep the day job, right? Totally. Did I just say that? Oh my God, what's wrong with me? Let me get this screen lined up a little bit better here. There we go. That boy good. You only need 288 to pass that? Nice. You wanted to go short and you kept getting cold feet. I know. I don't blame you. Like, just looking at the price, like I was like, I didn't take any trades there, but just kind of like, at what point is this gonna turn around and be bullish on us, right? So we are at a pretty key level here, being at the overnight VWAP. We've kind of like went below it, we went back above it, now we're back below it. So we might be playing around in this area for a little bit. We kind of had that consolidation right at the end of the session there, before the Asia Open. Then we kind of like made some higher highs, and then we rolled over, found support down at the value area low, and then just rocketed up here. Now we're getting a steep pullback. So where's our 50% point of this move? Let's check that out. We're right at the 50% point here. So this could be the area where we end up bouncing. Or, I mean, if we start heading lower, maybe we're going to make some new lows today. Either that, or maybe the gravy train of the Asia session is over soon, because it's been pretty nice lately. The thing is, I don't have any like really high time frame targets. Oh, we have a 50-minute bullish fair value gap down here, which is also lining up with this long-term trend line. So we're gonna have to be careful here, though. We're dipping into this. We'll be dipping into this if we get any more bearish. We'll be dipping into this 1 hour fair value gap. Got a couple fair value gaps above. We got this 1 hour bearish guy above over here, and we have one here too. We should probably label this guy up because this is still valid here. So 1 hour fair value gap. Oops. 1 hour fair value gap. I think I got two sounds going on here. There we go. Gotta shut that one down. Hey, FN Trades. Back at it again, sir. Yes, sir, we are. Matt, a couple of Profit Asia session discretionary trades. No losses yet. Made. Oh, made. Haven't turned on the bot yet. All right. Let us know how that goes. Dave the GOAT. Hey, wow. You don't very often get called the GOAT. What am I, like Michael Jordan or LeBron James of trading? No, I don't think so. But thank you for that, Jonathan, man. You the man. Really, you're the GOAT. You're the one that's locking in 8K profits in one day. Jonathan, you'll be happy to hear though. I spent what was it? About 3 hours today dropping out real estate flyers door to door. Whipped up one of these guys right here. What's going on? Why does it say show panel up here? One sec. Yeah. So as you can see there, I got a little flyer that I made with my real estate brokerage and some information. So door to door, knocking, talking to people, trying to find some more clients. Pounding the pavement. Something you kind of got to get used to doing if you're trying to find some new clients. So I went to this super cute neighborhood in Mission. There's a whole bunch of there's about almost 200 houses in the matter of about 4 streets. So no, it's just a flyer, like, you know, stating my experience and like kind of just an advertisement saying like if you're looking to buy, sell, or if you know anyone who's looking to buy and sell, you know, and just like, you know, my phone number, my name, my brokerage, that kind of stuff. So, but a calendar is a good idea if you're going to do a mail out one. You can mail out a calendar and then people put that calendar up sometimes and then they got your picture and then they remember you. So I'm probably going to do a calendar like later. So I'm going to try to do like sort of follow-up advertisements for like in about 6 or 8 weeks. And then again in another 6 or 8 weeks, targeting some of like basically the same areas, because you kind of like, you got to like reach out first and you get, you know, that your first interaction with people. And then if you can, you know, get them with something else again, then they'll start remembering you, right? So you got to get like 2 or 3 times before people really start to remember. So yeah. So bearish fair value gap, couple bearish fair value gaps above, one bullish, one down below. We have one more way down there too. Let me just see this again here. Why is that not showing right now? Is it just too far away? No, it's still there. It's just it's still there. It's just too far away, I guess. Well, we will keep it as a target. Did you spark up any conversations while drop? Yeah, definitely. You know, yes and no. Nothing really serious. Like no real like, oh yeah, I'm thinking about selling or anything. Nothing like that. But you know, I would say only about 85% of all the doors that got knocked on had an answer, right? 80 to 85%. So a lot of them you kind of just knock, wait, nobody answers. So then you just like, I was basically like tucking the flyer under their doormat. So it's like, it doesn't go anywhere, but it's like visible for them. So you never know, we might get a phone call. You know, I offer sort of like free market evaluation. You think a flyer should be a billboard? Let's get the chat to sponsor it. Nice. Yeah, a billboard would be a good idea. Or you can also do like bus stops. Like you can get you know, the chair and the bus stop and stuff like that in some places. So if they're not already all taken. How the real estate can be a great business. And yes, it's pretty flexible, but right now the market in British Columbia is pretty tough. So sorry, looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. So we had some like real estate, some highs in the market in 2023-ish, 2022, 2023. And then it's really kind of like crashed since then. So the market is definitely hard. Get a breakout here, guys. But the thing is, like, I'm looking at the book map and I don't really see much above either. So, like, hard for me to take a long here, guys. I don't know. I'm going to be patient tonight. I'm just not sure we're going to be getting much momentum going forward. So, Zero PhD, hey, how you doing? What's up, what's up? Hey, Topple Fiddle, how you doing? Yeah, so the market is a bit of a challenge right now, with all the, you know, us being in a recession, and yeah, it's pretty tough right now. You're on a gold long for the past hour? Wow, that must be doing good for you. Okay, well, we're gonna have to wait for a closure. Hopefully this closure will leave us a bullish fair value gap above the VWAP, and then we can kind of hopefully wait for a pullback into it for a continuation. I don't want to just buy this, but doing good. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. 4 micros and barely up $400. Almost hit my stop loss too. Wow. Okay, so it like went against you a bit, and now it's up 400. I mean, that's a pretty nice amount on 4 micros. All right, so we did leave a nice bullish fair value gap there, but are we just going to go straight up here, guys? What the heck? What the? But we did find some resistance up here in this, in the 475 area. Oh yeah, that's a pretty strong take there. Go balls on this trade. I just, you know, we don't have any clear targets here. Like, I don't know. I don't see any clear targets on the book map. We have like 29,550, like 65 contracts, or 600, 29,600 has 115. But look how light that is there. It's not very dark red. 700, 139. Okay, so we do have a little bit more above on the top side there, 600 and 700. Let's take a look at the NQ, the big boys. Yeah, so 29,600 has 94 contracts on the big boys. Okay, so we do have a little bit of targets above here. Well, let's see if we can't get a retest of the VWAP, like a pullback to the VWAP. We can sort of target the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart with a stop below this area here. It's not a very great risk to reward trade. It's looking like a 45-point stop to a 58-point take profit, unless we want to just sort of target much higher at the value area high. But whether or not we're going to get there, it's probably not worth it. So maybe we can sort of target front run these highs up here. So looking like 100-point take profit to a 45-point stop. Okay, I mean, this could be okay. This could be okay. 67? What's 67? 67? I might have to get some tea tonight, guys. Hopefully we're gonna hit that 1.7K subscribers. We're at like 1697 or something. 1695. So we only need 5 more subscribers here to hit that 1700 mark, which is gonna be amazing. So we dipped into that bearish fair value gap here at the 475 area, and we are pulling back. So yeah, I'm kind of liking the idea of getting into a long, but we need a bit of a pullback here into this area. And we can sort of, like I was saying, we can front run the highs there up at the 530s area. So this would be a 96 point trade with a 50-point stop. So basically a 2-to-1 almost, and 1 micro would be, you know, $200. Which subscription is good on TradingView? I use the what is it called here? The premium. I haven't found it where I need more than premium. I think that there's like an ultimate level above that. So you might want to you just got to look at the plans and kind of like see which one do you think you need. Like I found that the ultimate kind of has everything that I need. 8 chart tabs, 25 indicators, 20K historical bars, 50 parallel chart connections, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, 2 watch list alerts, and then all the other little stuff. It doesn't have tick-based intervals, and ability to buy professional market data it doesn't have, and first priority support it doesn't have. So, but when you start getting up to the ultimate, it's pretty expensive. You know, it's like $280 a month for the ultimate. I think that's pretty crazy. So the premium is pretty expensive, $82.95 a month when you buy it for, but you got to buy it for a year, right? So pretty pricey. Yeah, but just look at it and just kind of see. Like, I probably only need the plus account, to be honest, because I mean, it does come with a bunch of more features, but I definitely don't need more than 4 charts. Okay, so 50 points, that's 100. So if I got 2 micros in here, we could risk a little bit more, so 200. So let's place a couple orders here. Hopefully we can get a pullback into this VWAP and find some support. $435, 428. I'm not loving the overall price action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up in an eval account, actually. So that one is 36. And in that case, I'll probably end up going a little bit heavier. And we'll put, so we'll get to a maximum of about 5 contracts here, so 34. And then we'll put a 5 contract stop below. What is this level here? 29,384. Something like that. You can get premium for 70 and 30 days free. Nice. Yeah, so I mean, that sounds like a pretty good deal. It does have a little bit more features, right? And, you know, obviously you got to think about it in regards to your budget also. Kind of want a YOLO with 1 mini on this? What, you're thinking about getting into a long YOLO with 1 mini? Damn. Yeah, today was a nice green day. I think I was up. I think I put in, yeah, I was in 418 profit in my funded accounts. And then I was up, I think I was up about 900 in the one eval and about 400 something in the other eval. So pretty decent day. Hey, Clee's in the house. What's up? Hi, Clee. How are you? Check it out. I was going around handing out flyers today for my real estate business. So I made these flyers and went knocking door to door, delivered them, hit about 200 houses almost. So, hey Nick, what's up? Yeah, what the heck's going on here? You're risking too much again and acting all crazy with your yard chickens. Yep, you know how we do. It's one of these 100K evals here, looking for a pullback to the VWAP. Looking like we're not going to get all the way down there, though, unfortunately. We'll just be patient here. We'll probably get a pullback. Hey, Red Rose. This is a weather chart. Storms coming. Beware. I like it. Right? Totally. It's like telling us that the storm is coming. I agree. The Mustang is among us. Yes. Doing wonderful. Up 2,500 this session. Wow. Good for you. That's awesome. Le Prince. Yes, I'm a solo agent. Yes, I am, sir. Hey, Nick, good evening. Other bud. Yes, Nick's in the house. Market looks bullish, but it has all kinds of overhead resistance. I know, right? We have all these. We left all these bearish fair value gaps here. So we might not end up getting there. We'll have to see. So let's just, if I were to get into this trade, looks like my average price is going to be around 425 with 5 contracts, a stop down at 50. So it's a risking about 500 to make about 1,000. So you wonder if Trump will blow up more bridges? What, he did that? What's up, everyone? Hope y'all are green and not in the I have the flu kind of way. Oh, yeah. Lone Wolf's like, Mustang trader, yo. Nick, did you catch any of these trades earlier? Like, this was some pretty clean action. I was out on the road delivering real estate flyers. So it kind of missed this whole beautiful move here. And then nice pullback all the way to the VWAP right from the point of control. Like, couldn't have asked for better trades here. Tapped the value area low. Clean all the way back up. One little, like, you know, decent retracement in the middle, and then all the way back up to the point of control. Pullback here. We actually got below this consolidation a little bit, but now we're kind of getting back into it. So I can see us being a little choppy in here. Hopefully this isn't a little lower high. Because, yeah, technically, you know, now that I'm actually looking at it, maybe this isn't the right trade. Because we've been just making lower highs here. We made this lower high here. So you know what, guys? I'm actually going to pull these orders. I'm kind of not sure about this now. So what we'll do is I'm just going to get rid of a bunch of these orders. I'm going to go with 1 micro and go from there. 385, 1 micro. Let's reassess this as price as we get a reaction here, because this technically could be a lower high here. Now that I'm looking at it, like we've made a couple like higher lows here, but this could definitely be a lower high, and we could end up sort of dipping all the way back down to the 300s. So you caught the trade earlier when you got home from the beach and made a couple bucks. Yeah, a couple bucks. Yeah, I'm sure, just a couple. Iran attacked some ships and Trump blew up one of their bridges. Really? I've been up 65 bucks since Asia Open. Lock in the account. I'm tired and gonna get some rest. See everyone in the morning. Hey, smart move. What's your VWAP on the 5-minute? My VWAP is sitting at 29,427. 29,427. Did I hear you say risking 500 to possibly make 1,000? Is that your normal type of trade? Because this isn't a 100K eval and they're pretty nicely in profit, I'm willing to risk a little bit more on them. But I changed it there. Like I took off some of the contracts. So I originally had 5 contracts queued up. So now I just went back down to 1, just because I'm not sure what we're going to get out of this. So a couple 3Ks. So yeah, that's not necessarily my normal size of trade. I would be usually, you know, maybe like 100 to 200. You know what I mean? Like $100 stop loss to a $200 take profit. But then again, I'm definitely not afraid of putting a stop into profit once we start moving up, right? So I might not get the full TP. Trump needs to make the market move right now. Yeah, that would be nice. It'd be nice if he got the market moving. Just not too volatile. Just say something like nice and bullish to make us just keep climbing here. I think we probably need a new song. Hey guys, what do you think? Let me go back to the songs. Explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat this side. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid eval, whoop whoop loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3 minutes. Plus 800 on the gold move. Nice job. Beautiful. Yeah, so it looks like we kind of, the opportunity was at the 450s there. Could have got in the 450s. Would have been up like about 20 points already. Sunday stream anthem. New Jeans playlist is pretty relaxing if you like K-pop. I keep seeing about how Trump attacked XYZ thing, but I doubt he's personally approving every single individual strike in real time. He's probably got delegates really making the calls. Yeah, probably, right? Unless it's like something more serious, like starting the war, like when they first started it. Like I think you're right. A lot of those decisions are made by people in charge of the military and the military level, right? So I don't know how it works. Maybe they have to run some stuff by. Drunk Seth, is that who's a military guy? Gotcha. Oh geez. Well, I guess if we get an inversion on this fair value gap, that could be our next entry area. Sort of stop below the VWAP. Risk to reward is getting not very good though up here, unless we get a continuation past the point of control. This is a 1-to-1, 66 to 46 stop. You're trying one MNQ long at 882, stop 852. Probably 482 and 452, right? 482, 452. All right. Yeah, I see it.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stock. And remember, if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Bone and Campbell. Charts up, coffee hot, Bone and candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, market put you on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride, each session high while the chat decide, Bone and candle print and the bears all high, market but you can't keep the dream alive, oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Cowdunga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like
Dave, where is the sell wall on MNQ right now? We have 29,500 just came on. 105 contracts, 29,550 above. So did we invert that? We did invert that fair value gap there. So this is actually a potential entry right now. Let's see. We'll do the 1 micro here. Try to get an entry there. Label this guy up with a yellow. Here we go. I got in there. 1 micro. Stop down at the VWAP. Looks like 40-point stop, 66 take profit. So let's put a Put a contract up here at the 533s to sell it. Did I see Nick in here a little while ago? There he is. You sure did. You sure did. Glee, what's up, Sugar Pop? You killing it again tonight? Yes, she is. Nick, I think she said she's up like 2,500. Hey, Wilson is gold. I just changed your YouTube name. I like this name, and you see your little image there is looking pretty cool too. I hope you're doing well in your trade. I'm just got into my first trade tonight so far. So Sugar Pop, hey? Wow. You guys are little, You're looking to make it 3,000? Nice. Nice. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Should we ask a long or short from what? Answer, structure. FEG, don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, neck gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market butcher crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults. Did I just hear you blush, Dave? Respect the stop. And remember. Yeah, I'm a little jealous. What can I say? I'm used to only her attention with me, You call your kid that, dum dum? Nice. Hey, look, I don't know who this Mustang trader is, but he can come in this chat. He can't come in this chat taking Dave's girl. Ryan's got my back, man. Ryan's got my back. Well, looks like this entry's playing out pretty good so far. Yeah, I'll take whatever I want. Okay, I got a new song that I'm making here. We got a new song here. Let's see. I'm gonna pop it into the Suno and get it to make this song. Okay, lyrics are in. Now I just got to get the prompt. Resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades. Dave hasn't put a ring on it yet. I've been waiting for somebody to slide into the DMs. Then I'll get right on that. Your tags contain producer tag Fred again. We don't reference specific artist on Suno. Please change your tags. What? Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. There we go. As long as your wedding's at my place, I'm down here. Yeah, that would be awesome. Nick has a way with words.
oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast.
You tell him, Mustang. Okay, Mustang Tiger Trader. Okay, you're cool. I'll let the admin know that you can stay. You guys are having fun in the chat right now. That's good to see.
Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking longer.
Ryan Entourage, I appreciate it, bud. And that's why I like this channel. It's fun. Yeah, I know. I have a lot of fun every night with you guys too, and during the days. Although we're a little more serious during the day because like the pressure is on with the market, right? But yeah, on the evening streams, it's definitely more laughing and less, less pressure on the trading part because the market, to be honest, the market's just much slower in the evening sessions. So it's kind of like we have more time to just like sit around and shoot the shit. Oh, it's your second favorite channel? What the? How dare? Yeah, I know. A lot of times in trading, it's just waiting, right? So if you're still on when I put my miniature a-holes to bed, I'll pop on with you for a minute. Yeah, sounds good. I probably will be on. We'll be on till, what is it? 10:30 p.m. my time. So two and a quarter hours at least still. She liked my pre-market better than your premature. Okay. Tapped into this bearish fair value gap, then 200 EMA. That's kind of our next line in the sand here. Also lining up with 500s. What we need to do is blast right through these orders here at the 500s. Looks like we have about 2,480 contracts that have been bought and sold at that level, with 108 orders resting there. So we'll keep an eye on that number there. I suspect that a lot of these are algorithm orders, so they're going to take some off. Looks like this just went down by like 20 contracts there. So Butcher, could you set up a stream for only one viewer to see? Say Clee Torres, for example. I mean, I guess you could probably put like a private stream and then send a link only. So it's all good. It's all good. Yo, Jim Fluff now. It used to be what? Yo, Jim Blob? Yo, Jim Bob? Or then it was Knob. And now it's Yo, Jim Fluff. At least you keep your picture the same. Then we always know who it is. So. Do you have a page on only Canadians? How did you know? How did you know? That's where the private link goes to, guys. Mother's made a name, whole chat broke, Gary say Asia, hard to trust, one micro feels too much, real trader stuff, Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays, slow compounding while the futures rage, can't influence. Look at the orders came off already at the 500 level. There's only 61 now up there, so. Meanwhile, Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. I love it.
yeah, no revenge. Anja posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide, Globex all the way. Discord loaded, milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass in the whole.
I made a song, but I don't know how much I like it, to be honest. I might need to design it again. It's got a girl's voice and it just doesn't sound that amazing. Hey, Angia, good morning.
Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows, market but you gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready.
Is this gonna pull all the way back down here? Off of that, I mean, technically this maybe is a good opportunity for an add-in. We kind of missed it there, tapped into the 478 level.
Protect the evil. Respect the stop.
I just hope that these orders that were up there at the 500s didn't come off and like they just sold it and then now they're gonna push it lower. We'll see. You're hoping for a pullback here, Ryan? Or you want it to roll over?
Straight up with no pullback. It might be a bone and Campbell.
Okay, I'm gonna download this song. I'll play it for you guys. Let me know what you think about this song.
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat this side. Bone and candle print and the bears all high. Market but you gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling.
Okay, here you guys go. Let me know what you think about this thing. I don't know. I'm like so. You exited 482 long. I'm not really feeling the setup. Yeah, it's kind of looking a little more heavy. Although we might be getting another opportunity for an add-in here on this pullback. Actually, pretty strong resistance there. I'm gonna do it. I added in there, but I'm gonna have to adjust my stop a little bit to make up for the difference here. We really need to get through this 500 level though. That's kind of going to be the line in the sand here. If we can't get through that, we're going to be in some trouble. Not my game, but I'm more of a rocker, so I don't know. Come on, NQ. Don't play around here. Let's give us a move. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, I don't know if I really like this song here. AI kind of didn't do the best job on this one. You're actually looking to try 495 again to go short? Uh-oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't fade me. You're gonna turn me into liquidity. Yeah, I'm getting rid of that song. It's not exactly. It didn't turn out how I was hoping. So what I should do is I can keep the same lyrics and just get like different prompts for it. Come on, 500s. Let's go. Let's go. We need to take that. Hey, Jonathan. Thank you. Thank you. Again, this guy, man. He's like always tipping me, bro. I feel so blessed every day. Jonathan comes in here, says such nice things, and then throws super chats like, you know, like he made $8 grand on his last trade, you know? Grab your roller skates. It's time for your first period song. There we go, guys. This is what I was looking for. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Don't be the end of the move, though. Come on. Don't do that to us. Don't do that to us here. Keep going. Rocketed right through the 500s. Need to keep going. We got orders up at 550. So, I gotta put another TP up here. Maybe I should be thinking about taking one off sort of at this fair value gap here, and then one more at the top. Let's front run the 20s with one contract, and we'll try to hold the other one for the 40s. Just front run the 40s a bit. We need that ceasefire tweet. Yeah, my brain out of the short. My heart says I don't wanna. You're in short that the best trader win. Oh no. No, don't do it. Water candle, let's go. This is second drink is giving me false confidence, maybe. Me long MNQ love time. Yeah, 2K and a funded top 1 futures. Nice, bro. Nice. Fire's thinning out up here. I'm out. Up a couple more dollar hairs. Nice. Nice trade. Nice trade. I'm trying to get a couple dollar hairs too here. Dollar hairs. So first TP's at the 18s there. Second TP's at the 37s. I mean, at this point too, I should probably bring the stop up to this area just because we don't really need to leave that much risk on in case this for some reason decides to just go straight down on us. But come down, I need a pair of shoes. You know what? I need a new pair of shoes too, Clee. I need a new pair. My pickleball shoes, they're getting pretty worn out. My pickleball shoes were originally my running shoes, like just for like running around, and then yeah, turned into pickleball shoes. Another lesson. Yeah, here we go. Get it. Taking it. Nope. Come on. Don't do it. Come on, give it to me. No. What the? Come on, get up there. Tapped into that fair value gap. Come on, hit it. Okay, one contract left. Go and break even on the last contract. And we got the TP, the second TP up at the 37s. So I pulled it down. I don't know if you saw it, but I pulled it down into that, and I thought it tagged it, but it didn't. So you're only in for one MNQ, so you're allowed to let it. Oh, thank you, Clee. Whew, thank you. And smart, because, you know, keeping that size down, you're going to, you know, less risk. Now, do you think we're going to get all the way up to the 537s? Maybe. I think if we get back below the 200 EMA, probably need to cut this trade if it decides to turn around here. Okay, I'm trying again on the Suno here. I made a different prompt, keeping the same lyrics. And let's see if this one turns out better. I've made profit tonight, so just for entertaining at this point. Interesting how this has moved between last session and this one. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, and you're definitely up nicely, so. But, I mean, I'd prefer if you won. So you should have joined me in the trade, not baited me. But you know, women know best, so what am I to say, right? And I'm not being facetious. It's a good way to run your life. You know that saying, happy wife, happy life, right? $5.30 might be safer. Yeah, I see what you're saying there. If we get up to the 530s, I'll trail it tighter here and try to just get out of that trade.
Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, MNQ dirty, E is clean.
The night is still early, plenty of time to come back down. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's true. And we might only get up to sort of this 530, 537 area before we just head back down. No, he didn't. What? Happy wife, happy life? You don't agree with that? Yo, Jim? My prediction per the 30-minute chart, MNQ will shoot up to 600 points. But not financial advice. Happy king, happy kingdom, more like it. Wicked Wicks. Yeah. I mean, I think it should be happy wife, happy king, both. Everybody's happy life. Are we gonna get this right away here? This was just like a too easy trade, man. I shouldn't have said that. I think I said that too soon. If I'm not happy, nobody's happy. Yeah. Fair enough. That's why it's good for both people to be happy, right? We tapped into the 30s there. Come on, give me the 37s. Give me the 37s here. Yeah, make each other happy. Totally agree, Topple. Simping? No simping, bro? Come on, boys. Let's go. We're almost there. Just like another 10 points. Just a little pop right here. Right here. Yes, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. What do you think? Should I just take it? Should I just take it? Kind of leaning towards just taking it here. Yeah, I'm taking it, guys. I'm happy with that. Right to there. I'm out. 200 bucks. Nice little trade with 2 micros there. You gonna let your last one run? I know, I wish I got in with more size on this trade, but oh well. So I went in long on the retest of the inverted fair value gap, added one on the second retest of the inverted fair value gap, and then got out there. And then look at that, we're getting a pullback now. So Clee, I have dated too many Latinas to believe that you are just kidding. Really? I don't have the same experience, so I don't know. So I'll take your word for it, Nick. I'll take your word for it. Can't go broke taking profits, right? Yeah, I know. You're in NQ long since 392. Wow, really? Since all the way down there? How did you get that entry? Oh my god. Good for you. 2 minis would have got me there faster? Yeah. Nicholas. Wow, you called him by his full name? Oh, she's angry, dude. Careful, Nick. She just whipped out your full name. You know what happens then, right? That's trouble. Nick needs a timeout. Please, I don't say it was not worth it, did I? There you go. There you go. Thanks. Lower high down there. Yeah, it could be, right? That could be the top, right? Something like that. High or low, yeah. Sorry. High or low? Oh, you got in this high or low. I thought you were talking about this lower high. Yeah, thanks, guys. Yeah, that was pretty clean trade. You got to see your setup and take the trade, right? These inverted fair value gaps have been working pretty good for me lately, so I kind of have to stay confident. Make me another drink and I'll consider forgiveness. Nice. Bro, this stream is calm and chill, bro. Got to tune in more often. Hey, thanks, Sock. Yeah, we try to keep it calm and somewhat entertaining and fun, you know. Trying to make some money too, right? Didn't ask for it, sweetheart. It's getting spicy in the chat here, guys.
The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep, and somewhere another.
Hey, GK Futures. Good evening. Hey, I'm doing good, thanks. How are you doing? Both now? LOL? Yeah. Oh, Clee's getting angry. Careful. Uh-oh.
Another stop loss.
So guys, if you guys are looking for some trading swag, definitely head over to the marketbutchertrades.com. Take some of that payout money, support the channel, hop into some of these shirts. We got VWAP is king. VWAP is king shirts, sweaters, cups, and mouse pads. So check it out. I also have a Market Butcher Trades premium trucker cap. So check it out. Head over to marketbutchertrades.com if you guys are looking for some swag. Maybe you have somebody in your life that's looking for, they would appreciate having some sort of trader gear. It's all there. Print on demand, relatively quick shipping. Check it out. GK Futures, you're doing good. Sounds good, bro. If you wear it and post a pic, yeah, I have some on order. So if you wear it and post a pic, yeah, and you get an extra duck in the Sunday race. There you go. You heard it here on the channel. You will at the end of the month. Nice. Where's my popcorn? This is gonna be good. Yeah, I know. I'm looking forward to it. It's heating up in the chat here, guys. We got angry swearing emojis coming out. So I think Broken Trendlines hoodie would be neat. Okay, yeah, maybe that's a good idea actually. I can do that for collection 002. I'll start working on something like that soon here. But I like that idea. Broken Trendlines is actually really good. Totally. And I guess I should probably make it a pink sweater. Pink as an option. Sounds like a royalty to me. Yeah. I'll have to send you one. Riz Regis. Hey, yo, what's up? How you doing? You look like a nice guy. I like your picture. You looking like a happy guy in that picture. I can tell also by your comment there. Does she get 20% for that idea? Dinner is served, guys. Dinner is served. Mom made dinner tonight. Check it out. I appreciate it. So it's smashed potatoes, veggies, and salmon. Salmon. The kid in the condo down the hall likes to riz you, but his name isn't Regis. So is this the point where we start heading back down? I wonder, guys. Because this kind of formation, you know, we'll have to see where this candle closes. But this kind of formation often looks sort of like a reversal formation. We'll have to see. My neighbor made me dinner tonight. Really? Too much negative delta? Yeah, it is pretty heavy delta there, isn't it? We were at 3181. Now we're at 3980. Starting to look heavy. Let's see what happens when we get to this 200 EMA.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
You have a limit buy at 467, 2 micros. Yeah, I mean, that could definitely be a support zone. Let's get this trade off here. Look at that exit, guys. Is my exit not good there or what? I mean, it doesn't mean that the move's over, but like, I exited right there at 528. Had I tried to wait for this to like hit my TP and not just taken that, I probably would have been cutting this right now. Nice neighbor. Most in the condo are too stuck up. They don't realize money doesn't make them not need to be nice. Yeah, of course. You find that a lot in money neighborhoods. Yeah, that's what I was saying. This is like a total 3-bar reversal signal, right? We had a bullish move, right? Big wick with a bearish candle, and then another bearish candle after that. Now we're below the 200 EMA. Next line in the sand is going to be this inverted fair value gap. Maybe we're going to go back to the VWAP. Whether we'll go lower, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. The 550 or the 550 or 500 sell wall. $151 contracts at 550 there. 29,600 has 128 contracts. This might just be a pullback before we get the momentum again here. Because this is a bit of a flag, sort of flaggy pattern here.
heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious.
Let's see here. Random question. So I've accepted a new job, but my manager sort of controls when I leave, 1 to 3 months. What should I do if I want to leave ASAP? Good question. Unless there was a written agreement upon accepting your employment. Oh, that's a vertical stream, Nick. So you want to head over to the other stream, Nick. Unless there's a written agreement upon accepting your employment's offer, they can make you stay. They can't make you stay.
The market opens, the market closes. The candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep. And somewhere, another trend line breaks.
There he is.
David.
Hey.
What are you doing?
What did I do?
My God.
What did I do?
I pop in the chat and got Clee getting all spicy like a typical Latina. Got people putting me in timeout and calling the admins. What the fuck is going on over here?
Another night.
This is how we do on the evening streams.
Apparently, a rowdy bunch of so-and-sos.
Yeah, so that is a good question though. FN Trades, did you sign a contract that says you? So he said he accepted a new job, but the manager sort of controls when I leave, 1 to 3 months. What should I do if I want to leave ASAP?
Controls when you leave. First off, where do you live? You live in a state that's a right to work state. You can walk out at any time, regardless of contract. Yeah, so that's question number one.
Yeah, Nick would know better. Alex, did I see your chat? Which prop firm allows scaling with easy rules? Oh, scalping with easy rules?
Funded Next Futures.
There you go.
Funded Next Futures has no rules against scalping or micro scalping, no payout limits, and zero consistency rules.
There you go. Yeah, because Top One Futures and Lucid both have timeline rules. So if 50% of your profits are like under 8 or 10 seconds, depending on which firm you're talking about, they can take your profits away if they deem.
I think Lucid is 10 and Top One is 20.
Is it 20?
Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it is. Angia, when do you sleep? You're working too hard. I thought I raised you better than that.
At Jerry Trades, it's a defense company and I'm moving from one department to another. The manager basically decides when I transition. I can't work both jobs at once. You're in Texas, so at will?
You work in defense in Texas. Just get out quickly. Just get out as quickly as you can.
Clea has written contracts with some employees, but only because they paid for their training and certifications. They can still leave anytime, but they would have to pay you back. That makes sense.
Yeah.
If you're going to put an investment into them, they got to put in the time, right? Defense. Well, that was a pretty clean trade. And then we're kind of heading back down here, maybe back to the VWAP.
Yeah, Dave, that was pretty.
These Asia sessions have been kind of almost easier to trade than the New York sessions the last few days, anyways, for a week or so.
It's the past couple of months, it's been a lot cleaner movement. It's a little bit slower. You get done with a 3 micro trade and it doesn't feel like your ass is eating your underwear from the inside out.
Sean Reeves agrees that the Asia sessions have been good. And yeah, I was talking in with Teammate and Proffer Match yesterday, I think it was. And I was like mentioning that too, and he's like totally agrees. He's like, man, these Asia sessions have been way better than the New York sessions. Just getting chopped out. I mean, we're still getting a decent move usually early on in the session, but then after that, it tends to be pretty volatile and choppy, right? FN Trade's not a fan of Texas defense companies, Mr. Mustang?
No, so a buddy of mine in Detroit actually is he runs an aerospace machining company and dealing with Defense Department building rockets, like nose cones for rockets and stuff. It's just wow. Some of the nonsense that he has to deal with is just absolutely ridiculous.
Been trading you good lately? Yeah, Sean. It's been pretty solid. Can't complain. Philanthropist says, how much can we make per month through 550K prop accounts? Well, I mean, I guess that depends on who you're trading with, but a lot. A lot.
I mean, let me pull up my TradeZella here.
Uh-oh. Careful, guys. Be ready.
Would you say a month?
Mm-hmm. Plurd says, agreed, Asia is more forgiving. My funded futures also offer instant funded with no evals. Is that a question? Yeah, I'm not sure. They have instant funded with my funded futures, Nick?
I don't remember if I did evals with them or if I did instant funded. Couldn't tell you. I'm trading too many different firms. I can't
remember all the rules.
Yeah, now
and all the accounts and everything. So Asia, GLaDOS says Asia's been great after the first 2 hours. Yeah, I noticed that too. Like the 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. has been pretty choppy in the Asia session, but after the 8 p.m. happens, it's been pretty clean. And Clee says, if it's the same company and just transferring department, you're at the mercy of the company's policy and union rules, unfortunately. Yeah, makes sense.
So I'm drilling 50Ks over a 1 month period.
Before we get the momentum again here.
So silly question for you. Are you taking payouts already? That's okay. That's going to be the first question.
Who asked that question again? Shoot,
philanthropist.
Yeah, philanthropist. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you profitable? Are you taking payouts? If you're trading 50Ks, 5 accounts, the average for your first month on that for most prop firms is going to be $5,000. Your second month is going to be 7,500. Third month will be 10 grand. Fourth month will be 15,000. And fifth month, there's no cap on it. Last month.
Oh, he said not yet, but he's doing evaluations.
Yeah, no, don't even worry about what you can make. Worry about passing an eval.
Yeah.
There's absolutely no reason to start getting ahead of yourself on that.
And don't copy trade either. I would recommend not copy trading until you're, trade them. Get 5 accounts is fine. Trade one at a time. Like if you get one green, then move on to the next one, kind of idea. Like that's a way you can sort of like risk sink. Then if you end up losing in this account or winning in that account, at least you're gonna not blow all your accounts at once. Or
Oh, also, have you been trading for a while? Have you been trading options or stocks? Have you been trading futures on a cash account? Those are all things that are going to make a difference as well.
Hey, force fed.
You actually are hallucinating those mushrooms that you ate. They weren't shiitakes.
Chin boss. Hey, why the heck are we trading futures right now, fellas? In between 2 market opens, y'all love low volume and low probability moves.
Oh, I'm not in a trade right now.
The market's been moving pretty clean tonight, so. And we're here mostly just to hang out, have a good time, and try to help some people with some of their, overall trading habits and everything like that. So we're here for a good time, brother.
Yeah, this is a fact. Whoop, where'd it go?
Trading evals is not the same as trading funded, yeah.
And it's definitely not the same as trading a cash account.
Yes, you've been trading futures options for the last 2 years using my small capital. Well, I mean, getting into funded accounts, definitely you can scale up. But I would, again, I would say make sure you trade them one at a time, try to get a number of them passed, and then, maybe try to get one of your first payouts. Then you can think about trying to move into copy trading.
Oh, fiddle. Nice.
Force fed. I thought they looked weird, but I bought them at Walmart, so I thought that they were safe. He's talking about the mushrooms.
Dude, you went into Walmart. That's never safe.
Asia market is good to trade if you know how it moves. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Made 8,000 tonight. I don't know. Really? You're up 8,000 top of fiddle? Wow, bro.
Actoca. Bravissimo.
Riz Regis, me walking through my house during the day randomly, like no FOMO, no, only YOLO. That's this song. Only YOLO. Yeah, rotate your accounts. Yeah. Hey, Jane's got a question there for you, Nick.
What's that? Have you been moved to a live account with any props? I was moved to 2 live accounts. I was told by one company that I was getting moved to a live, so I took a payout, blew the account, and then got a new one. There's absolutely no point in going live if you can help it. You are not tax advantaged in a prop firm account, even in a live one, so you're not getting that 60-40 tax advantage, and you are also still taxed as a subcontractor. So there's no point. They end up taking whatever your profits are minus 20%, and then it's capped at a certain level. So if you've got 50K in profits in an account, and they're going to give you a 10K live account, and you end up forfeiting 40 grand, there's no point in it. It's fucking stupid.
There you go. You heard it from the master right there, guys. Okay,
No,
this new
firms-
VWAP is King song is sounding good. Go ahead. Sorry.
So Alex is saying I have cash accounts with interactive brokers, Ninja and Robinhood. Prop firms would have an issue with it? Absolutely not. I am trading in total 7 cash accounts and 76 prop firm accounts. So there is no issue with that whatsoever.
I'll make another baby metal song for you. Next on the list.
This the last time they tried to move me to live was about 6 months ago, and no, they did not freeze my account. I did manage to take the payout prior to getting to a live one. And I had to do that across 5 accounts and then restart with that company. And then after I passed those evals, I took, I think 3 payouts from them, and then they banned me. So I can't trade with them for a while.
Nice trade, Rizzy. Or should we call you Regis or fully Rizzy Regis?
Oh, I like that photo. You look like you'd be fun to party with.
That's what I said when I said I looked at his picture earlier. I'm like, you look like a fun guy, man. And his name suits it too. Instant funded, top 1 futures or Lucid Pro. Lucid has instant funded. I mean, there's probably some others too, but
So so full disclosure, I've blown all but 2 of the top ones that I've ever had. I'd go with Lucid personally. I don't know why, but top 1 supposedly is the easiest prop firm to trade. I screw them up every single time.
nice job.
I don't know if that's just me being an idiot. Most likely it is just me being an idiot. But I prefer Lucid.
And if you haven't used your drop, they have like a box drop or something right now. You could probably have like a 50 to 60% off one account, a loot box in your Lucid platform.
Yes, that's exactly what happened to me. They get a little bit pissy when you take 45 grand out of 5 accounts 3 weeks in a row. Please, shorts playing out.
Hey, Alex, no worries. We're always open to listen to questions and try to help where we can. No, I think you can only get one account with that, Jane. But the pro accounts using my discount code will also get you 40% off, which is pretty decent. But that's not for the direct accounts, but the pro evals. So that's a pretty good deal. Isn't Regis the old guy from that daytime TV talk show?
Yeah, Alex, don't apologize for asking questions. It's not like we're doing a whole hell of a lot here right now. And even if we were, we'll get around to it one way or the other. That's kind of what we're here for. That and, you know, the giggles. And Dave to flirt with Clee. I'm gonna steal your girl.
Fox body? What's fox body? I missed a comment there. Top of it, if you get funded and blow it, will they let you go back to evals? Yeah.
Yes, some of them have.
Live, or are you talking about like a funded account?
Actually, for both, most of them do. For some of them, there is a 30-day cooldown period before you can open a new account or a new eval.
I think that's with Lucid, right? If you get live with Lucid, pretty sure. I thought I heard that.
I don't know. Not live with them. Angie is here for shit talking and chilling. All right. What's your least favorite type of question? Well, show up in the morning and I'll tell you all about that. I think the best question that I have seen on Dave's evening live stream was, how can you give advice on trading if you've never placed a real trade in a live market?
Yeah, that was that guy was trolling.
Those are the type of people I'd like to just knock on their door when they open it, punch them in the neck, and tell them to shut up. Snap a keyboard over your knee.
What's your least favorite type of question? Is that what you're answering there?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That was my the one question I heard on your late night live stream where I went, something needs to be done about this twit.
Yeah. Philanthropist is asking, what's your trading strategy?
Just throw shit at the wall and see what sticks.
We're both VWAP traders. We have slightly different criterias for our entries, but most of our trades are based off the VWAP, whether we're above or below and looking for retests or takes. Nick focuses a little bit more on the deviation bands on the VWAP, and I use a little bit more on the fair value gaps or inverted fair value gaps for entries. So he said top of field said live. Yeah, so like Nick was saying, sometimes there's a cooldown period after you lose the live account, but a lot of them will eventually let you go back to it. So you have 3 funded with Tradeify. Nice. Nick, you need to burn off some aggression. Let's get you in the gym. Clee?
I mean, I don't go to the gym every day, but I'm on a surfboard every day. That alone is a workout. And as far as aggression is concerned, I am so mellow. I am always just laughing and smiling, even when I'm punching somebody in the neck.
Sean Reeves in the vertical stream says, I copy trade, but I go on a 2-day losing streak and I uncopy. Yeah, that's smart. I mean, it's a good way to to reduce your risk on the copy trade. Want to know something crazy, guys? Yeah, sure. Let us know. I'd love to hear it. We're always down for crazy stuff. Riz only trades with TPT for now. They're a great firm. Once you get past that buffer, wow. Those are probably some of the best accounts once you get past the buffer. Flip a coin for confluences, flip 3. I like it, GLaDOS.
Gym is good for you, my dude. It's a mental wellness place. Dude, it smells like Bengay body odor and farts. I'm not going to the damn gym.
I got your back. Don't worry.
I've never stepped foot in a gym in my life.
Can you state your next answer in the form of a question, please? So Sean Reeves, I've had the same 3 XFAs since early February. Haven't blown them and haven't done well enough to receive a payout. Well, hey, that's good. That's a win in itself, having accounts for that long. I mean, if you just keep it up, you're gonna get there. Slow and steady wins the race. And when you do get that payout, man, that's gonna feel good if you're holding those from February.
Those 0 PhD, those knees are gonna give up on you sooner or later. Not before my heart. And I was joking. I have spent a lot of time in gyms. I was similar to Dave in my younger years. I kickboxed and did Muay Thai kickboxing and boxing and Krav Maga, and yeah, it just.
Yeah, I think we both spent more time than you can count in a gym.
Too much time getting punched in the head. That's why I have to do this for a living now.
Evan Drade says, Butcher, you must have a concussion considering how hard Klee is hitting on you. So flattered. So flattered.
I love this. You guys are in the wrong ones if they're stinky. So, back in the 80s, wow, can't believe I'm saying this. They used to have these gyms where they were just boxing gyms in Brooklyn, where you would go in and you give them $30 at the beginning of the month. They give you a key to the gym. End of the month, they change the locks. You go in anytime you want. During daytime hours, there were always coaches in there. It was just, that's where I started working out. And they smell like Bengay and blood and aggression, which is kind of what I like in a gym. I'm not that old. Not a boomer. Wasn't alive in the 80s? Yeah, because I wasn't dating your mom yet. Did I just say that out loud? Sorry, kid.
Good evening, Matthew Lai. How are you? Aye. Angia never went to any gym in her life. Super crazy dirty. Well, maybe you got to go to Klee's gym because she might disagree with you. Your mic is on? So, who was it? Somebody was at Top of Fiddle. You're asking about the new song. This is actually the new song already. We're playing right now. So, right here, I'll restart it for you. Kind of, it's the same lyrics, but it's sort of a different vibe to it. So.
Late night future. Leave our office king. And just dropping schedules right on time. Your dream saying thank you dirty every night. J my yelling hit the light. Top 40 stacking payouts right. Miss bringing all the hype. Kyle laughing through another spike. Chris says wait, don't chase that way. Take your
Yo, Jim Fluff, bro, you change your week every name or your name every week. Laughed at the gym was down the street from OJ's ex-wife. Muay Thai, one of the most effective and respected combat sports in the world. My son is ranked 10th in France. And I started your boy at age 6. Nice. Yeah, that's what I trained in, was Muay Thai. FN Trades, you guys, is my goal too ambitious? I'm 26, wanting to buy a house cash by 30 or 50% down payment at 28. Mathematically, I could do it, but it's a I'm not sure where you're buying in Texas. Okay, well, I think house prices are pretty decent down there, right?
Muay Thai is a fun workout. You got a strange idea of what fun is.
Value high, value low. Watch it flow back again.
Pick a topic, Jerry. See if I got anything stuck in my brain for you. My goal too ambitious. I'm 26, wanting to buy a house in cash by 30 or 50% of down payment at 28. Mathematically, I could do it, but it's a stretch. 4 years wanting to buy a house. Depends on where you want to buy a house. If it's Alabama, you can probably do it in a couple of months. If it's California or New York,
he's in Texas.
It might take you a little longer. What's that?
He's in Texas. That's where he's working.
All right.
I think house prices are I'm not, that familiar, but from what I heard, I thought they're pretty decent. We're sitting at the view up here, guys. Maybe we got a trade here.
Look at your book map there. I had the same thought a few minutes ago. I'm not loving this.
Yeah, there's not really much on the book, is there?
So I had a goal of exiting the country and traveling for a couple of years, buying a resort, and I put a 3-year timeline on that. It seems to be working out okay. So be patient. Be very patient. Don't get in a hurry to accomplish that goal. Just slow and steady. Jane Bond, can I ask, are you both longtime friends? No, I actually met Dave through Clee. I was working out at Clee's gym for a while. She wouldn't stop hitting on me. I told her I was gay. She said, I have this friend, I want you to meet him. She introduced me to Dave. Then I broke his heart when I told him I'm not. Actually, I was just trying to get away from Clee. You know, Latinas are fucking aggressive. It's a classic. Boy meets girl, girl chases boy, boy has to run for the hills, boy pretends he's gay, breaks two hearts in one. You know, it's like Shakespeare. It's like every other woman in my life.
Not this story again. The fact is that Clee is Dave's girlfriend? Really? When did that happen, guys? Jackpot. What? Is Clee a hit Cheeto girl? What does that mean?
I mean, I don't think she's bright orange or anything. To answer that question,
I got a new Baby Metal song I'm gonna make here also, as requested by the chat.
So to answer that question, I've never actually met Dave in person. We met through a mutual friend, Randy Baines. Started streaming together with Randy. Randy whored himself off to ASFX, and I got stuck here with Dave. Just can't seem to get rid of him. Kid's like herpes.
Never going away.
Oh, damn, FN Trace. Did you just call her a chola?
Chola?
I'm proud of you. Don't think you've ever eaten a Cheeto.
Angia, I'll meet her when she invites me down. I think we're probably gonna go meet down at Nick's place though.
I got room.
And then I can actually meet Nick too at the same time, so in person. It's so funny, I've been trading with him so long, I usually know when he's entering or exit trades without even him saying it.
Yep.
I'm like, did you just exit? Like, yeah, I did.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, it would be nice, Anja, for sure. I did set up one meetup so far that was like kind of just before Christmas last year. So, but again, it was in Canada, so it was only local Canadian people. Look at that trade, Nick. Should have got in there. I put my entry 419 a little bit below the VWAP, hoping for a little bit of a deeper pull down, and it just bounced right off that VWAP. Again, we could have scalped this guy, but you know.
Yeah. Still not really into it.
The only reason I like it, I had three confluences there. I have the overnight VWAP, we got a bullish fair value gap, and a trend line. that has been respected multiple times. But it's all good. There's always more trades.
You don't
Okay,
need to
baby
beat the
metals.
trade every day.
Well, I guess I can take those orders off. We won't be getting a pullback down there anytime soon. Does anyone here actually know anyone in person? Good question. Does anybody? I don't think so. I think we're all a bunch of random strangers hanging out 3 nights a week and 5 times a week during the day. Yeah, that trade would have played out real nice right there. All the way up to where I had my TP set and everything. Just missed the entry by, what was this, 27 down to 19, so by 7-8 points.
Oh, that's an idea. Let's go to Hong Kong.
That would be cool. Food and coffee on the house for you guys. Wow.
Yeah, let's go to Hong Kong.
Our 2 favorite things, coffee and food.
Hey, Angia, you come on the pre-market stream with me every single morning. You know how much coffee I drink. And I'm on a 5,000 calorie a day diet. So,
Still trying to just finish my dinner here. Working on the veggies. Oh, it's Hong Kong. Oh my God. The best thing is, Jane, if we do go, we know a local. So that means we're going to get all like the good inside restaurants, you know, taken to all the best places, treated amazing, as that's typically how it is in those Asian countries over there.
first adult thing I've seen in your live stream all night, right here.
Nice job,
Thank
GLaDOS.
you. So thank you. Just thank you.
Hey, we're up to 101 viewers now, 96 people in YouTube and 5 in X.
What?
How are we doing? Oh, we haven't even done a duck race, and we haven't been paying it. We've been so busy just yakking away here with everybody. We haven't even asked for any likes or put out the form for the duck race. We got 45 likes. Can we get up to like 70 likes, guys? Really quick. Sure, we got 98 people here. We got 45 likes. We can probably throw on a quick 25 likes, right? No problem. I'm gonna get that form started here, so we can do the next duck race extra entry for the Sunday giveaway.
All right, so we're gonna make a list of the people to party with based on their comments. So LAFTA might be on the top of that list. We got Riz, we got LAFTA. I think FN Trades is in there.
Yeah.
All right, David. It's
Yes, sir.
past midnight in my neck of the woods. I got to be up in like 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
So you
Thanks
have
for
a
hanging
lovely
out.
evening.
We all love to see you.
I just like coming in here and busting your chops a little bit.
It's good. It's good. I'm usually sitting here all alone, talking to the chat, feeling like a weirdo.
How do you think I feel in the morning in pre-market? I'm sitting there talking to myself, going doo 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 doo, until Skeletor and Angie come on. All right.
Okay. Have a good night, Nick.
See you in the morning.
FNJ says, "Good night. I love you."
Love you too, buddy. You have a good one. Have a good night, Clee. Angie, if my daughter's still there.
Yeah. Topple Fiddle saying good night.
See y'all in the morning.
Later, bruv. We were just blessed by the myth, the man, the legend, Mr. Mustang Trader in the house. You guys know. You guys know. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, so I got the baby metal songs ready here.
Walk away, tomorrow brings another day. Be wild as king. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. Be wild as king. Feel the market swing. Don't go broke, taking profit. That's our thing. Oil slippery, gold heavy. That gas crazy. Keep it steady. Boner candle, straight up high. Watch retail, wave goodbye.
Okay, what did I miss here? Purple VWAP rejection. Well, I don't know. We came back down to it, so maybe we were in trouble here. We're gonna go bearish. I only use Tradeify, so if you have any questions, you can ask me anything you want. I'm not working for Tradeify, but I do love this firm very much. Very good, very good. I'm wondering if this is actually going to be a good entry now. Possibly? I don't know. I kind of want to try it. I haven't taken a trade in my other top on futures account here. So that would be an entry at 418 area. Stop down there. 382. Yeah, Jane, I'm still looking for longs. I'm just kind of playing this channel area and hoping that, you know, although we're at the VWAP here, I'm kind of hoping that we're going to hold this VWAP. We might play a little bit below it. If we just keep going straight down here, obviously it's not going to work, but we'll have to see. We do have orders down here at 400, which is kind of like 17 points away from my stop. So We'll see. We'll see. Might not be the best trade, but maybe don't follow me, guys. But we'll do it anyways here. See if we can't get a bounce back up to these previous high area. Previous candle was a shooting star. What does that mean, Anja? Is that bad? Should I not take this trade? Anja puts that out right away after I get into the trade. This is not financial advice channel meant for educational purpose. Trade with your own risk. Manage your own trade decisions. You're solely responsible for your trading decisions. Thank you, Anja. She's got all the good emotes.
Top 40 stacking payouts, right? It's bringing all the hype. Got laughing through another spike. Chris says, wait, don't chase that win. Take your profit. Don't be hurted.
This is not financial advice, but if I were you, well, that's a pretty strong take of the view up here, guys. Maybe I should exit this trade while I still have a very small loss. Let's give it a minute here. Let's see what happens here if we're going to get a bit of a bounce. Because that was a pretty strong take of the view up. So normally this would be my time for an entry. So I think I might exit this trade if we get a little bounce here up to my entry. Try to get a break even on this guy. Coulda, shoulda, woulda taken it there. I don't know. Could have made like $7. Exit the trade or double it and give it to the next person. I wish it worked like that. Hey. Yeah, I probably should have exit there. Damn. GLaDOS, have a good night. Check the 1 hour candle. 23 minutes. Yeah, we're looking heavy here. Shoot. Well, we might get another chance to get out here on a little push up. But yeah, I think I might just get out of that trade if I get another opportunity here. In fact, I'm probably just going to put some orders there just to exit. We can see NQ retest 280 again before London Open, but 280 is a good support. Will full ported my trades yesterday. Uh-oh. $15 minutes flipping down. And we got a 15-minute bullish fair value gap down below. Yeah. Might get a little bounce here though. Hopefully we don't just rip right through the 400s. So in fact, I should probably just, looks like I'm going to get tagged out here, maybe. A little more bounce. Come on, buyers. A little bounce. If we get through these 400s here, I'm just going to stop it out. One contract out there. Here we go. I'm out. No FOMO, only YOLO? Yeah. Yeah, I got out of that one. Small loser there. Well, $75. This was just a flag pattern that we had. Looks like we're breaking out below it though. But I mean, we've broken below this multiple times. So we can take this guy off for now. It was holding support before, but doesn't seem like it is anymore. We also have this, we have a giant diamond pattern, which I think someone from the chat was saying. Was it Paul? We got this huge giant diamond pattern here, which is kind of like the next trend line below, which is lining up with that 15-minute fair value gap. So that could be an interesting level here. Is that gonna bounce right all the way back to my entry now? Like, did I cut that thing too early? Looks like I cut it too early. This is TradingView. Faisal, thanks for the super chat, Jonathan. Again, no FOMO, only YOLO. You want to hear that song? Okay, let's do it. Oh, we'll do the baby metal song here first. Yeah, I cut that too early here, guys. Cut it too early. Should have stayed in that trade. Damn. Could have got it break even anyways. Nut. Watch this trade play out now, right? Watch it go all the way up to the 460s again. I would just figure. Yeah, I agree. We might get a little. That's why I was thinking, like, I was just gonna try to get out at my entry price. But then again, I squeezed it, put the stop there, just because I thought, you know, once we get below the 400s, I don't really want to be in that trade anymore. But maybe maybe end up stopping me out too early, right? You don't think it's possible to go back to the 60s? I mean, we did it over here. This area came below the VWAP, played around for a bit, and then went all the way up to the 500s. Yeah, one news could definitely say flip it around. Small L's and big W's is how we stay in the game. Totally. Trinity House LLC is what, you have a company, Trinity? This song may deserve a Grammy, I don't know. Here's version number 2 of that same song, and then next we'll put on No FOMO, because that's also an amazing one. Hey Raj, how you doing? Hey, we got 114 people now, 109 on YouTube. How we doing on the likes, guys? Did we push the likes up a little bit from the last ask? $63. We're pretty close here. I'm gonna get this form going here. Where was it? This one, contact form, extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. Name, email, YouTube name. Country, comment. Five-minute bear flag. Yeah, it looks like it. Hey, Angia?
Ready? Ready? Ready for Globex. Let's go.
Let's get on the YOLO. How come more people show up at night? I think it's the opposite. I think it's, you know, people are off work and we're getting people from, you know, other time zones. And, you know, there's not a lot of people streaming, right? So I think that's why.
Let's go. While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride.
Whenever you're shooting a shooting star pattern on 1 hour chart, 80% of the times the next two candles will be red and drop. Gotcha. So that was a shooting star on the, is it this one right here? This one is a shooting star with a big wick on the top and then a small green body. For me, it's early in the morning, Italy time. Yeah. Yeah, see, it depends on the time zone, but a lot of people are in the US, so it's got to be like, you know, midnight or even later sometimes. Bang on, bro. Barely anyone doing on this time and moves. Good moves, top of the hour, right? That's pretty nasty 1 hour candle, Angia. I've never really seen the 1 hour shooting star before. So thanks for sharing that. Good little piece of information there. Am I crazy? I'm a little crazy, guys. We can get it? I'm taking it right there. I took it. I got my money back. And up 94 bucks now. I re-entered. I'm guilty as charged. I liked how we were forming those those wicks on the bottom of the 5 minute. So and I got in with 8 contracts there. Hey, morning, at least where I am. Hey, Michael, where are you again? This morning for you? If you, Michael, sorry I missed your message earlier. Click the link below there and join us on the main stream if you want. Uh-oh. Now we got a closure below those 2 5-minute bodies though. So now it's a little looking like it wants to go lower. We'll see though. We'll see. Michael, where are you from? Where you're coming in from the morning. Man, these veggies are good. Hey, look at that, guys. We crossed the 1.7K subscribers. Woo, thank you for the new subscribers. How are we doing on the likes? I'm going to get that form going here pretty quick. We're at 70. We're close enough. Let's do this. Careful, it's going short. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I still feel like we're bullish. I don't know. I don't know why. What's wrong with me, guys? That means I should probably not take any trades because my bias is probably wrong right now. Don't follow my advice either. It's not financial advice. I'm just saying, what's wrong with me? Why do I want to be bullish here still? I don't know. I guess until we get substantially below this level here, I'm just scared because, you know, I feel like I'm on the wrong bias right now, and this could just play around here for a bit and then just rip right through the bottom, right? Oh, it's a Globex open? Yeah, we got 8 minutes here. Although we might, you know, when the hourly candle comes, we might end up getting a wick down into the 360s and then go back up, but who knows? It's normal because it held 280 till well yesterday. Today, Asia session, so should be bullish instead of bearish, so you're not wrong, Mr. Dave. Yeah, well, I guess we're also at this, you know, above this consolidation here from like right at the market open. So again, I don't know. It's kind of, I guess it's a flip of a coin right now, right? They could turn around and go higher because we did earlier, and it was kind of like the breakout zone. But I'm just getting the form, about to post the form here in a minute here. We were about 5 likes away from it. So did we hit it? We got 71. We'll do, that's close enough. I'll post it right now. There we go. The form is in the chat there, guys. It's the pinned comment now. So go ahead and fill that out. And let's get some extra duck races. Told you I was going short? Yeah, I mean, that's why I'm saying maybe I should not be trading right now, Keith. Because for whatever reason, my mind's telling me to buy this. And it seems like it's not the right trade. Like, typically I would not be thinking to trade this because we're below the VWAP, you know. So it's probably not the right idea to be a buyer right now. So you guys are probably right. Sometimes I just get stuck in these biases where you got to realize that you're in the wrong bias and you just need to stay flat. So David Madrid, hey, ready also. Nice. Yeah. 6 minutes till the hourly candle here. So all it takes is a single trade idea to change your life, Butcher. Yeah. Double bottom. Wilson is gold. Are you trading gold tonight, Wilson, or is that just the name that you changed to? There you go. Nice trades there, guys. Good job. That's why cattle patterns sometimes can help you when you have a bias. Yeah. Well, I mean, I shouldn't be bullish because I'm below the VWAP. So that should be telling me to not look for longs, right? And there you go. So I was wrong. Maybe that second trade there was definitely a revenge trade. You like gold? Trading gold and NQ. Nice. Nice, Wilson. This is 15 minute. We're in a 15-minute bullish fair value gap here too. Yeah, well, they're, you know, those candle patterns or those, yeah, candle patterns are money. I mean, it's the reflection of price, right? So market bias has been my nemesis, so I use a 20-period SMA to keep away my bias. Oh, nice. I like that. I'm a reversal and candle pattern trader. Nice. Still some downside, at least to 300, you think? Yeah, there's that potential. This is that double bottom that somebody just mentioned there a few seconds ago. 300. Okay, ignored my trade idea was destroyed. What's your trade idea? My trade idea too is, well, it looks like it was trying to get destroyed. Let's go. 8 micros 421, took out 4 at 385, holding 4. Nice trade though. What is going on here? Bobblehead. Bobblehead. New hourly candle in 3 minutes. Yeah, that's going to be where we're going to get the move, guys. Whatever's going to happen here, whether it's a bearish move down to the 300s or if they decide to reverse it and head back up towards the highs. Okay, how's the form going? Oh, where's the form going here? 20 responses so far. Nice. We're getting there. Make sure you fill out that form, guys. Also, if you haven't filled out the form since the start of the month on the Discord, make sure you head over there and fill out that one so you can get in on the Sunday giveaway. This form that's pinned in the comment section there in the chat tonight's duck race for an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway, but you still should always head over to Discord to make sure you filled out that form there. So, Wilson, you look at candles and press buy or sell. Did he say that? Okay, Alex, have a good night. I made more than what I have targeted tonight. Oh, nice. Good job, Alex. That's a best way to end your stream or your night. Asia been pretty clean, respecting Asia open 10-minute orb zone. Yeah, Zar. Zar's in the house, everybody. What's up, Zar? We usually see Zar pops in to say hi at least once a day. Hey, Khaled, we're going up to 506. You guys telling me that I was in the right bias here? Was I wrong or was I right? I don't know. Let's see how this plays out. You think you'll trade a second double bottom? I will take a trade at second double bottom. Pew pew pew, Angia. Chris said it's better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. You doubled down on that dippy? Your duck is juiced up. You know, sometimes you just gotta trade your intuition, guys. Sometimes you just gotta trade your intuition. Yeah, I know. That's like me and Nick during this Asia straight, during the New York session. He'll be in a short. He'll take profit, then I'll get in, and then I'll make money on the long. Basically the same trade, but make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. Out of curiosity, what happens if you stream with non-AI music? So if I were to start playing like regular music, then it basically makes it so you can't have ads, and it kind of like, so if you ever try to make content out of it, I can't really use it with copyrighted music. That might have been the move that we needed to get them pushed lower here, though, so we'll have to see. City lights flicker, late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans. Pretty strong hourly rejection off of the hourly candle rejected off of the VWAP there. Nice job, Angia. No flex, just work in the booth, trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the one still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. That grind line, oh, so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page.
turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah.
Oh geez, I think I haven't changed the music in the vertical stream like the whole time. Oh my god. Sorry about that over there, vertical stream viewers. Listening to the same song on repeat the whole time. 4 more contracts, yeah. Nice add in there, Andrea. Went back to full size. Andrea's short. She's over here. She was short of something. 421 was her original entry, and then she added 4 more at 432. So our average price is somewhere around 425-ish, I think. 420? Gotcha. I thought Andrew was average height, not short. This is a confusing candle here, guys. We have pretty high volume at the moment. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. I mean, I feel like if price gets above the VWAP, that's definitely not good for shorts here. Not tall enough. I want to be 170. 165. I mean, that's only 5 centimeters. Come on. Does 5 centimeters make that much difference? I think I'm like 180 or something. That's 180 is 6 feet. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area, hiding value area. Because it's I think what is it, 30 centimeters to 1 foot? 30 centimeters to 1 foot? That's 170 is 5 feet, almost 5'6". So if she's 165, that's like 5'5" something, right? Yeah, 5'5". No crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah, I think I'm like around 182 centimeters, which is basically 6 feet. Uh-oh. Oh, guys. Market butcher. Another Sunday. Nah. Another Globex. It's heading to my TP. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. Yeah. Yeah, 6 feet is reasonable. I'm getting some shut-eye. You all have a good night. Trade smart, lose small. Thanks, Rizzy, Regis. You have a great night also, sir. Thanks for hanging out. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit. And I stayed flat on that trade. Damn it. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. We'll let the form go for another 3 minutes or so, and then we're gonna do that duck race. Everybody gangster till they drop down.
down, crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels, VY execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin. Still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low.
Yeah, I had a couple of veggies I had to finish there. You could hear the plate clinking away the last couple bites there. When in doubt, the YOLO the account. You think they're just doing this to shake out the shorts and then they're gonna push it down? They could be.
See you at Globex.
We're back below the view up here. Oh, Michael, I'll link it over there too. It's because it's in the other stream. Because you're in the vertical stream there, Michael. So if you want to, the pinned comment there in the comment section there will bring you over to the main channel or the main stream. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MGC dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade. Seller's still defending this VWAP, guys. One base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, yeah, I think you're pretty decent height there, Angia. 5'5" is pretty good for a female. Siwa, how are you doing? Chris's good advice was, if it's better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. Let's pump this song up a little bit here. I want to hear this one. This is the new VWAP is King song. Crank it up a little bit here. We'll put it to 25, not too loud. Yo, Jim saying NQ's dirty every night. Jane Bodden said hit the like. Yeah, so there's the Sunday form, and then there's also a pinned comment in the stream you're in now for tonight's duck race, which will get you, if you win tonight, you'll get an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So I'll give you guys another 2 minutes here to enter that form. We got 26 entries. Climax is coming. I'm flat right now, Phil. Welcome, Eileen, to the Discord. So we have how many people in the Discord now? We have 67 people online and 356 offline. So we have what? That's 420? Nice. Vishna Singh, how you doing? Jerry waiting never rushed. Jerry got in this song. Moon Boy's up, he stole the show. This is a good song. I like that. One good trade, walk away. Tomorrow brings another day. We got Yo Jim Blab, aka Yo Jim Knob, aka Yo Jim Fluff. Okay, I'm gonna grab the list here, guys. We got 29 entries. Let's do this duck race. Let's get it going. VWAP is king.
Trade like adults, base heads. One trade at a time.
With a harp? That's a good idea. I should definitely make us a harp one. K-poppers, I'm now in the mindset I need 250 to 300 profit a day instead of me YOLOing. Yeah, I mean that's the way to go. Think about that. If you can make 200 to 300 per day on most days, by the time you get to the end of the week, you're looking at 1,000 to 1,500. And if you were to do that every week of the month, 5-6 grand a month. It's amazing, hey? All right, let's do this duck race. Here we go. I'm gonna get rid of that form in the chat, guys. Let me get back over there. I gotta change the song again here.
Ready?
Put it on the baby metal. Whoa!
Ready for a Let's go! Let's go! Wake up, coffee, dogs are calling me. Value wearing
Best DJ in town. I'll just add your name real quick. Don't worry about the form.
smart money.
I think I just removed it, so you won't be able to get it anymore.
Candles straight up high. Everybody screaming now we fly. 5 minutes later, everybody cries. Market butcher. Well, surprise. Smart money.
Best DJ in town. But if you haven't already, best DJ in town, you should head over. Let me get. One sec here. Let me link you the Discord in the channel there. And because there's another form on the Discord in the giveaway channel. If you haven't filled that out already, that'll get you an entry in the Sunday giveaway. Tonight is just a duck race for an extra duck for the next Sunday giveaway. So let me just paste this in here. And pin it. Yeah, so tonight is basically what we're doing tonight is we're going to give away 3 winners an extra duck on the Sunday giveaway. So every Sunday we run a duck race with all the people who enter the form on the Discord, plus whoever wins these extra ducks during the week, they get their extra ducks on the Sunday. And then I only have about 4 Lucid 25K flex accounts that I get per month roughly that I'm giving away always on Sundays. So you're going to have to tune in. There's a couple rules. You got to be here live when we give away the duck to win it, or give away the account to win it. You got to be in a country that allows you to trade with Lucid, and you can only win 1 Sunday in a row. So if you win 1 Sunday, you won't be able to win the next Sunday. We have Puran. I haven't seen him in the chat tonight, but he won last Sunday. Then he won the next Sunday, but he didn't win it. And the funny thing is we did another duck race and he won again. So he won 2 in a row on the Sunday where he couldn't accept it. So he won three Sunday duck races in a row on 2 weekends. So Japan, I don't know. I think you probably can trade in Japan. I'll ask real quick. Yeah, based on Lucid's trading current rules, Japan is not listed as restricted. So it sounds like yes, you can. It's rigged, right? Yeah. And Angia missed her win too, which is too bad. I was mad. It was mad. I punched the air at supersonic speed. Really? I'd see you post to fill out the new giveaway form, but I could not find where the form is. Oh, so scroll to the very top in the giveaway channel. So go into the Discord, go into the giveaway channel. It's the very first comment. So you got to scroll all the way to the top. It's a pinned comment and you'll find the link in there. So, all right, 49-second race here. We got about 30 racers. Good luck out there, everybody. We'll do 3 races here and we'll get 3 winners for an extra duck on the next Sunday race. Hey, you're welcome. Vikram out front. Keith Smith, wrong trade Jim. Sorry, bros. Best DJ in town. Sorry, bros. K-poppers. Sorry, bros. You know how it works, right? Usually if you're in the front at the start, you don't win. Not a guarantee, but you never know. It's rigged, right? Stop loss is hit there on the 18 second. Look at this content creator, Michael Krog. Wonder, are you going to be able to hold the lead here? We got Yo Jim Blob coming from the back. Agent Rogue, Jane Bond. Oh, careful. Yo Jim or Jane Bond? Yo Jim. Yo Jim Blob. Yo Jim Blab. I cut out the rest of your names there. So Yo Jim's got the first duck race here. Congrats, Mr. Yo Jim. I'm assuming you're still here, right? You're still here, right? DeLeon trading. Hey, how you doing? We got 2 more races, but nice try. We got 2 more chances. Don't worry. Vikram, hey, what's up? Yo, Jim, are you still here? Jim, yo, Jim. Yo, Jim. Okay, well, we'll start the next race anyways. I think he's here, but give him a second while we do this next race here. We'll start this one. But if he doesn't get here pretty soon, he's not going to get his W, and we're going to have to do a fourth race. Don't tell me he fell asleep. Poised skydiver, I only want to win a kiss? Oh, geez. That depends. That depends. That depends. All right, Jane Bond. Hey, Sat, Chris, Donnie, Steindon. I just subbed. Hey, thanks, DeLeon, right? DeLeon? 7 seconds here. Who's coming up? Sat 9473. Best DJ in town, right in second place. Oh my god. Nice try. Nice try. Sat. Sat, you here? Are you here, Sat? Are you here, Sat? What's up, Sat? Where's Sat, guys? We got Yo Jim and Sat gone? Oh, there you go. There's Sat. Okay, Sat's in on the next one. We got Sat. We're still waiting on Yo Jim Blah, but I think he left, which is very odd. Must have fallen asleep in his desk chair. Let me see. Where's the duck race? Duck race entry. Sat 9473. Extra duck. What's going on with the price here, guys? Okay, we're pushing lower. Nice. Rejected off that view up. Good job, Anja. Racing again here. And it looks like we're going to have to do another race for Yo Jim's W there. Because you know the rules, right? You got to be here to win it. Holding last four and your break even. Nice, Anja. Good trades, good trades. Good patience there. I wish you win too also, Wilson. Good luck, bro. Wrong trade, Jim. Force fed. Agent Rogue. Jerry trades futures with the Dr. Duck. Give him a little bit more time. Yeah. Well, he's got until the end of this race because this is the third one. So we're going to have to do another one in a sec. Who do we got? Boomer Sooner. Boomer Sooner, are you here? Well, congrats. Make sure if you haven't, Boomer, to head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord also. So you can at least have 2 ducks. You hope the economy collapses? Congrats, Boomers. Have you filled out the form on the Discord? Boomer Sooner, have you filled out the Discord, the form on Discord? Make sure you head over there. There's a pinned comment there in the chat for the Discord. Head over to the Discord, fill out that form in the giveaway channel. Once you get in the giveaway channel, scroll to the very top, the pinned comment. That way you'll have a second duck in the Sunday giveaway. Just make sure you show up for Sunday's giveaway or else it's all for naught. 02000. Boomer Sooner 02000. Extra duck. Just so you guys know, the extra ducks, I'm putting a time limit starting now for 6 weeks. So it's a little bit over a month. So you basically guaranteed for the next race that your ducks will be available. So depending on when you win it, you get the extra ducks for 6 weeks, and then they're going to be reset. So I automatically put in a timeline with ChatGPT to be removing it every 6 weeks. Back to you kind of like lose your extra ducks. Yo Jim, are you here? We'll do one more anyways. Might just give it to Yo Jim anyways, because I know he's really one of the most common streamers. So we'll just do another duck race regardless here. Good luck, everybody. We'll shuffle this around and do our last race here.
Ready? Ready?
That's a good point, Force Fed. No, I had been leaving them in, so I recently just made the change. So, but if they can't win the next week anyways, so that's one thing. But yeah, so we're gonna remove it after 6 weeks, and that's not a bad idea. Should probably do that if you win, your extra ducks go away. We'll implement that too. That's a great idea. Definitely seems more fair too, right? Wilson is gold. Wilson is gold. Look at that, bud. Nice.
MGC dropping schedule right on time. Yo, MGC and MNQ dirty every night. Jane Bond yellow, hit the likes. Top 40 stacking payouts right. Miss K bringing all the hype. Car laughing through another spike. Chris says wait, don't chase that wick. Take your profit, don't be a dick.
Thanks for that idea there. That's a great idea. And it definitely makes it fair, right? If you win, you have extra ducks, and you win, your extra ducks go away, so you go back down to 1. So, congrats, Wilson. Congrats. That's awesome. Okay. So Wilson is gold. Wilson is gold. Is that the same name that you signed up on the giveaway form in Discord, or was that before you changed your name? Just curious, because I don't want to give it conflicting names. If it, you know what I mean? Because I'm adding these all to ChatGPT. Why is your duck always the first one to get butchered? You won $1,000 on that trade, Angia? Oh wow, nice job! Look at that thing. Oh, you signed up as Wilson is gold? Perfect. Okay. Then that's all I needed to know.
That's enough. Top 40 says wrist first, bro. Moon boys up, stole the show. Drews and nitrous, rocket flight. Everybody laughing. I don't fully flow. Almost steal the show. One good trade, walk away.
All right. Well, the duck races are done here, guys. So thank you, everybody. It's always fun to do those. And those shorts are playing out real nice right now. Good job. Good job. Wow, look at this thing just going down here. Just straight down here. Once we broke down below that support level there, say bye-bye.
One trade at a time. Market butcher.
Nice job, Angia. Great trade. Did you see the daily on gold yesterday? Inverted higher high and shorts printed all day. Nice, Siwa. But NQ holding the flag really well. We might see a pump in the London session. Yeah, we might. I don't trade other things. I only trade NQ. Yeah, Angia's an NQ master. VWAP is king. I am more like a master one thing and one thing only. Wow, I missed my entry by a tick and my idea played out perfectly. Unlucky. Yeah, that's happened to me live on the stream before too. Maxi, you got edged again? What, on a TP or on a stop loss or what? Getting edged is the worst. Just don't let it turn into a tilt, because that happens to me sometimes. Very keen. Bounced your TP. Nice. You took a bounce. You took the long down here at the 350 area or something, FN? Or you tried to take the long down there? 4-hour candle in 25 minutes. Yeah. What happened to the tunes? Why did it stop all of a sudden? That was weird.
Another stop loss. Another lesson.
Boulevard of broken trend lines.
Another chart.
Next candle is going to tell if NQ can flip to bullish or stay bearish.
Another night.
Want to see if NQ can drop all the way to 29,130. Whoa. Yeah, there's lots of space to the downside, isn't there?
Searching for the next setup I'll find. The VWAP
And I know.
The candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers.
Oh, you're still holding on to a runner, Angie? Nice. Smart.
Where every trader leaves a piece of their mind.
I always forget to hold a runner when I got a good entry. Nice, yeah. I mean, those, you can really capitalize on holding a runner, you know? Like, sometimes you can get like way more out of that if you just like let it run, right? Especially if, you know, if this continues lower, like you're thinking, you know, maybe we're gonna head all the way down to the 300s, which if we have that double bottom right there, which could definitely be a draw on liquidity. I mean, I like it when we have matching bodies like that with wicks on the bottom. Quite often they're gonna head to those, right? You're trading ES, you're missed by 75.43. Oh, so close. It looks like it missed it by like literally one tick. All you see is wicks on the 4 hour. Wow, yeah, wicks on both sides here. We got this 1 hour bullish fair value gap below too, so keep that in mind. It's a big gap though, so there's lots of room for it to play around here, and we got 20 minutes. I doubt it's going to get all the way below this in 20 minutes, so you're copy trading 3 accounts? Really? Wow, nice job, Angia. Angia's on fire. So we do have orders down at 300 here, 321 contracts. Yes, because I was very confident on the trade. Nice. Yeah, if you can, you know, pick the right trades to copy trade, man, that can play out real good. Well, this guy was just a little box to tell us about that level. This was inverted a long time ago and re-inverted, so that one's gone. We got this 5-minute bullish. Where's the 15-minute? Are we still? Did we invert that, or are we working on inverting it here? 3 minutes left on this candle for this. Something like that. Yeah, there we go.
Another stop loss.
So it's currently green.
Another chart. Another night.
Sat, what was the pattern? Oh, like I think she was looking at the shooting star on the 1 hour. Sat. So she saw this candle pattern right here, this guy, which was a shooting star candle. And then she said there's at least two bearish candles after that. So and the 4 hour candle is a bear flag as well. Wow, yeah. Lots of confluences then on your trade idea.
trend line. FEG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another.
And whenever you see the price is struggling on a 4-hour candle open, usually pump or dump crazy after struggling. Gotcha. So I did get into a short what account is this one here? 38. So I'm in with, I was in with 4 micros. I covered 2 already. I got 2 left. Currently up about $70, $80 on this guy. Let's go. Thinking about taking one off here anyways, just because you know me. I like to take my profits when we start getting expansion candles. And we'll just lock this one in right there at the 68 area. And let's just see, leave a runner. See if we can't get in on a decent, bigger winner here. Disciplined market makes money. What's your take on the future of trading with a combination of AI in regards to the markets themselves? Well, I think that AI is already sort of affecting the market. The biggest problem is, you know, AI doesn't have, you know, sort of human intuition or you know, it's hard for it to make decisions on the fly necessarily. I don't know if they can figure out a way that it gets constant data flow, which helps it update its trade ideas and whatnot. So I think we're already seeing a lot of, you know, algorithm, which would sort of be like AI trading. But, you know, I haven't really heard of anything that's been too successful from AI trading point of view. So, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, anybody in the chat, like if you guys have seen anyone making huge success using like an AI type bot or something. I could be wrong, but I think we kind of already are seeing like a lot of those algorithm, you know, they call it algorithms, but I feel like it's kind of like an AI situation also, right? High frequency trading algorithms, which are basically, you know, in a roundabout way AI. But I guess your guess is as good as mine. I think is the more that technology gets better, the faster they can integrate everything into those. It's definitely better. So what I'm going to do to manage this trade here is I'm probably just going to go to the 2-minute chart. Once we get a 2-minute closures, I'll probably just start trailing it down to each 2-minute candle and sort of go with that. We have these equal lows down here on the what it was on the 5-minute chart. So this would be a good target here, the 300s. We got orders on the book map at 300. So you know what? Let's go with I'll go with like 307 or so. And we'll put a TP there. If we get down to there, we just want to be, we'll take profits. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the 2-minute charts. We'll trade. We'll bring our trail down into the 2-minute sort of target. AI cannot see images or charts, so you want to work with your AI. Your prompts have to be perfect. Yeah. So there's definitely a challenge there with that part, right?
Broken trend line.
I think I'm gonna actually put my stop here. It might take me out right now. I'm okay with it if it does. Either it goes lower. I want to lock in $100 ish on this last micro. Yeah, I'm out there, guys. I just decided to take it. It's getting late and I need to wrap up the stream here pretty quick. So eventually we're most likely going to head down to the 300s. We got 232 contracts there. Now we have some new contracts coming on down at 262, 103 and 250, 127. Just wanted to lock it in. So got 300 in that account now. So the two evals that I traded today, I got 301 and 195 in the other. Nice trade, Angia. Well, sounds like we got out at a very similar point. And probably could have held it, but that's okay. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up though. I need to get to bed. Market open comes early tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gonna be live again, so I gotta try to get to bed and get some sleep here. Appreciate you guys hanging out as usual. It was an amazing, fun night tonight. Lots of fun in the chat. We took some good trades up on the night, so don't want to be greedy. Yeah, got a banger from the 500s. Nice, dude. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful. What heat maps liquidity is that? This is called the book map. So the book map is it's a platform. It's a standalone platform. It's like $40 a month for the software, and then depending on what data you picked for it, it ranges from $40 to about $80 to get, like, depending on what data you want. So if you want $40, I think you get sort of like NQ and ES. But if you're interested in getting like YM and the metals and more, like just more stuff, there's a bundle package you can get for about $80. So yeah, $1,000 across 3 accounts, not bad. Beautiful trade, Angia. So good, so happy for you. So let's do our little shout out, guys, before we wrap up the stream here. Thanks a lot, Jonathan Stonks, all the super chats, always treating the channel so well with the tips and everything and the super chats. Appreciate you so much. Thanks for that. Jonathan, FN Trades, Ryan Entourage, Jerry Trades Futures, Keith Smith, Angia, Randall Paul, Topple Fiddle, Chris, Jane Bond, Mick Ryder, Riz Regis, GLaDOS, Yo Jim Fluff, Clee Torres, Maxi, Force Fed, Wilson is Gold, Alex Hallen, Wicked Wicks, Siwa, Zero PhD, Skeletor, Hectron, Best DJ in Town, GK Futures Trader, Mustang Trader, Lone Wolf Blue, Trinity House LLC, Lafta, Plurd, Drews 69, Malibu, Raj Tis, Sat 9473, Matthew Lai, K Papas, Michael Crow, Sock, Vikram, Musashi, Fazal, Wrong Trade Jim, Discipline Makes Money, Heavy D, Zar Trader, Swing Trader BKK, Deleon Trading, Boomers Sooner, London Voice, and Chin Boss. Where I missed London Voice's comment. Where was this? He usually says, "Yo, get out of that trade. You're gonna lose everything." Did you guys see him earlier? He always pops in about once a night to say, "Yo, get out of that trade. You're gonna lose money, right? Bad. You're gonna lose money all the way till next month." But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for the subscriptions. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments. And just for being such an awesome group of people to hang out with every night, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evening. If you guys want to hang out with us, definitely come hang out in the morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for market open. And if you're up early, make sure you head over to watch Mustang Trader. He's always live pre-market and then joins me at 9:15 a.m. Let me link his YouTube channel here real quick again. We're getting him some more subscribers. He's up to 170 now. Usually once you get over about 200, it starts to go much better, but he's definitely worth a follow. So I'll post that in the chat right now here. So head over to Mustang Trader, give him a subscribe. We'd appreciate it. So thanks everybody. You guys have a great night and good luck out there. Stay green. Keep those stop losses tight. Lock in those base hits. Take in profits. You never go broke taking profits, right? So thank you everybody. Love you guys. Love you guys.
Market butcher roll call. Yeah. Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you're ready to ride. Top one futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We surviving every session cause we trade it right. NGGBU holding number one. Four feds, one always loading.
Clitoris? No way. You didn't just say that, did you? Hey, thanks for hanging out, DJ.
No emotional crime, just base hits, stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil, reload and grind, cause the butcher gang different from the rest online. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Brody acted 34.
Thanks, everybody. You guys have a great night. Love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
The market explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Erkin never next, calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi, 5 fiend got disciplined wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lilash Volko with the MVG scripts. Richard Dowdy